This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Access to the rear of the headlights is very limited, and for the inexperienced home mechanic it may well be better to remove the headlight completely. To remove the headlights, it will be necessary to remove the front bumper. Disconnect the negative battery cable before continuing. The battery is located at the rear of the engine compartment, under the bulkhead. Slide the plastic cover in the direction of the arrows, then lift it out to gain access to the negative battery terminal. Loosen the clamp nut, then disconnect the battery negative lead from the terminal. Undo the two upper screws, securing the radiator grille to the front crossmember. The release lever must now be disconnected. To do this, use a screwdriver to open up the inner legs of the lever and disconnect it from the pivot on the lock. Lift the grille upwards from the lower clips. Remove the radiator grille. Unscrew the front bumper upper centre mounting bolts. From under the bumper, undo the three quick fastening screws. Working on each side at a time, undo the screws securing the wheel arch liners to the front bumper. Release the ends of the front bumper from the guides at each side and withdraw it from the front of the car. This step is easiest with the help of an assistant. Disconnect the wiring from the fog lamps, ambient temperature sensor or accessory components. Remove the plastic reinforcement strip by unscrewing the mounting bolts. Mark the three headlight mounting bolts in relation to the crossmember in order to maintain the identical beam adjustment. Using a screwdriver, prise out the protective cover concealing the innermost mounting bolt, then unscrew and remove the four mounting bolts. Slide the headlight unit forward, disconnect the wiring plug and withdraw it from the front of the car. Dipped beam renewal. Remove the round cover from the rear of the headlight unit. Twist the bulb holder anti-clockwise and withdraw it from the rear of the headlight. Pull the bulb directly from the bulb holder, noting which way round it is fitted. If the bulb is to be refitted, do not touch the glass with the fingers. If the glass is accidentally touched, clean it with methylated spirit. Fit the new bulb in the correct orientation to the bulb holder. Insert the bulb holder into the headlight and twist it clockwise until secure. Refit the round cover securely. Main beam renewal. Remove the triangular plastic cover from the rear of the headlight unit. Twist the bulb holder anti-clockwise and withdraw it from the rear of the headlight. Pull the bulb directly from the bulb holder, noting which way round it is fitted. Again, do not touch the glass with the fingers. If the glass is accidentally touched, clean it with methylated spirit. Fit the new bulb in the correct orientation to the bulb holder, taking care not to touch the glass. Insert the bulb holder into the headlight and twist it clockwise until secure. Refit the triangular plastic cover. Refit the headlight unit, first connecting the wiring plug, then sliding it into the mounting. Insert the headlight unit mounting bolts. If marks have been drawn to aid in alignment, align the headlight accordingly. Ensure that the gaps between the headlight and the surrounding bodywork are even. Tighten the headlight mounting bolts securely. Refit the plastic reinforcement strip and securely tighten the mounting bolts. Offer the front bumper into position, connecting the front fog lamp wiring plug strip. Fit the front bumper evenly to the mounting and reattach the ends securely. Use an assistant's help if necessary. On each side, refit the screws to secure the wheel arch liners to the front bumper. Refit the 3 quick fastening screws on the underside of the bumper. Refit the front bumper upper centre mounting bolts. Refit the radiator grille into the lower clips and reconnect the release lever. Refit the 2 radiator grille upper screws and tighten them securely. Reconnect the battery negative lead to the terminal and tighten the clamp nut. Refit the plastic cover and slide it securely into place. Reactivate the radio by inserting the security code. On completion, have the beam adjustment checked at the earliest opportunity.